Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use an Easy Loader for data import. An Easy Loader is a powerful tool designed to streamline the process of moving information into a target system. It helps you transfer data quickly and with fewer manual steps, often handling thousands of records at once. We will walk through the essential stages, from getting your data ready to confirming a successful transfer, ensuring a smooth experience. Before loading, proper data preparation is crucial for success. Start by organizing your information into a common format, like a CSV file, where each column represents a field. Verify that every required piece of data is included and that its format aligns with the target system's expectations. Take time to clean your data, removing any duplicate entries or inconsistencies, which prevents errors during the import. Next, you will connect your Easy Loader to the system where your data will reside. This usually involves entering your login details and selecting the correct database or object. The most critical step is mapping. You must tell the loader exactly which column from your file goes into which field in the target system. Many loaders offer automatic mapping for similar names, saving you valuable time. With your data prepared and fields mapped, it is time to execute the load. Click the Start or Run button to begin the transfer. The Easy Loader will process your records, often providing a progress indicator. After completion, always review the summary, especially the success and error logs. These logs detail which records were imported correctly and highlight any issues, allowing for quick troubleshooting and reattempts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.